right, guys, stay curious, stay adventurous, and explore Thailand. To make sure you have some local friends, to help you navigate this amazing city, because they call it the Wild East. There's a lot of things going on. Okay, my friend, what is your favorite Thai food?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. All the Farang have Pad Thai. Som tam is good. Okay, next time. Okay. Hey, I'm here with
April.
Hey April, you are a food expert and the food here was delicious.
Thank you.
So I want to ask you, for our foreign friends or people coming to Thailand, anything that they should know about Thai food, some of the hidden secrets, and also maybe you can give some practical sauce for foreigners to enjoy Thai food like a local.
Okay. Well, maybe I talk about a sticky rice.
Yeah.
Because in Thailand we use sticky rice for mostly it's gonna be cooked with dessert, like mango sticky rice. You might ever know that. But some of the restaurants they're gonna use the jasmine rice. I've heard they use the jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice.
Yes. But what the difference between jasmine rice and sticky rice? You just notice from the texture. Sticky rice is gonna be more sticky. Inside it's gonna contain more starch. And with coconut milk, it's gonna be more sweet, much better taste, and much better with dessert.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when I'm having tom yum soup, I didn't know that it was so hard to make it. So many ingredients that goes behind tom yum soup. Do you have any favorite ingredients?
It's gonna be kaffir lime, Kaffir, kaffir lime, because it's random things to find. But that one, it smells so good. You put in the soup, tom yum soup, tom kha soup, also all kind of the curries. This one is really good ingredients.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the class.
You're welcome.
And you guys should check it out too. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm here with my mom, by the way. She doesn't speak much English, but have you ever felt like you're in a rut? You must be wondering there's more to life than just going to your job or hanging out with the same people in your own circle, in your own city. I know what you guys might be thinking. Hey, Imtiaz, I cannot travel. I don't have time. I don't have money. I have a family. Here's the truth. Travel is the only thing that makes you richer in experience, in skills, and in understanding. But I suggest you take your family with you and learn from the local culture so we can all kind of experience this together. So I think it's very great if you have kids or if you have your family, your parents, take them along in the journey as well. Because understand that we are all going through a journey of discovery. And today we're in Thailand, ready to immerse ourselves in the art of Thai cooking. So this is all about learning as you're traveling. Okay, so when you learn something from the local culture, whether it's their cooking or going to the markets, seeing how they actually cook the ingredients, it actually opens up your mind in terms of the work that goes into making that dish. So next time when you're eating a delicious bowl of tom yum soup, just think about the work that gets put into making that soup. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Don't let excuses hold you back from expanding your horizon, whether it's exploring new flavors, learning a craft, or immersing yourself in the local culture. Travel has the power to transform you. As I'm working on cutting my mangoes, we're going to enjoy the mango sticky rice.
Hello, Bob. But in the morning like this, she's ready to get back.
so the next part of the challenge is to create some kind of rolls with mangoes. So now this is funny because I just want to eat it, but I guess we have to earn what we eat, okay? If it comes too easy, that means it's not going to be that delicious. This mango sticky rice is delicious. Now, you might be thinking, hey, Imtiaz, how can I travel to Thailand? How can I enjoy the delicious food? How can I take cooking classes? Well, my friend, we'll give you everything you need, practical sauce, okay? So if you're thinking about traveling to Thailand, whether by yourself or with your family, or maybe you're thinking about becoming a digital nomad, it's easier than ever before. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can talk to Thai visa consultant, so they can make sure that the process is easy and painless for you so you can get started today. All right, guys, stay curious, stay adventurous, and explore Thailand because Thailand has amazing food and also traffic. I'm gonna drive this tuk-tuk. I don't even know how to drive it, but I'm gonna learn, maybe figure it out. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Don't try this at home.